Last month, after ASAP in California, syempre bumisita ko kay Chrissy and his two sons. At in all fairness kay Chris, pinasundo niya pa talaga kami sa hotel namin sa Ontario para diretso na kami sa bahay nila sa OC. Grabe, pagpasok pa lang namin dun sa village, ang ganda-ganda.
Who's there? Who's in my house?
Oh.
Hi, Darla! How are you?
Akong baby. Well, I am your baby, of course.
Bam. Uwi na ba daw ng Philippines? Uwi na ba kayo ng Philippines?
Sana. Planning. Kasi syempre, Darla, we want to spend time with you back home.
And of course, your family, yung mga tita. Pinaplano pa lang namin yung reunion na to. Nag-promise na si Bim na ipagluluto niya ako ulit. Kasi dun sa vlog ko, nung pinanood niya ulit, naaaliw siya nung pinagluto niya ako ng steak sa bahay nila dati dito sa Quezon City. Kaya pagdating pa lang namin, nag-ready na siya agad. At in all fairness, days before pa lang, napabili na nila yung ingredients para sa i-prepare nila for me. Next! Siyempre, ano pa nga ba kundi ang na-miss ko? Spaghetti ni Chrissy! Wow! Akala mo, magpag-ganon-ganon ka ng pata.
You know it.
Pero it's heavy.
Try mo.
Try ko. No, it's heavy.
Hindi naman. Good for the
Yan yung workout mo. So, ano nang process ang nangyayari, Bim?
Ha?
What's
May
that?
audio na?
Oo naman.
So I can't say any.
Yeah.
Okay. We're just gonna saute lang the onion, put garlic, put the meat, and then sauce na. Finish na. Recipe to ni Mama.
Ito ba yung gusto kong spaghetti?
Ha?
Ito yung gusto kong spaghetti?
Yes, of course.
So, magkakaramelize ng
Oo.
Okay.
Si Darla will have 4 bowls.
Ito natin nagluluto, Bim.
Yeah. Me and Ate Amy.
Pati ulam, marunong ka.
Yes.
What ulam? Steak pa rin.
Everything.
Even kare-kare.
Basta, kung anong gusto ni Mama, I'll cook it.
Paano mo nalalaman?
Mama! She taught me.
So parang in-instruct ka niya while cooking.
Oo, she list it down eh.
Galing.
Parang yung recipe, she list it down.
Galing. Who would have thought?
Bakit kung would have thought? Ang mean mo naman sa akin. Okay.
Yung batang Bim at yung Bim na hindi ko ma-reconcile.
Recognize.
Ma-reconcile.
Reconcile? Ba't
Kung paano ising Bim to. Dun sa batang Bim. Na ayaw ko papasukin sa dressing room.
Ha?
Na ayaw ko papasukin sa dressing room.
Ilang years ago? Kaloka.
More than a decade ago.
Okay.
Workout! Go!
Workout?
Ayan, yan yung workout mo. Ano ito, Bim?
Italian sausage.
Italian sausage.
Yeah.
And then just put, can I have a beef stock? Para corn yung beef stock.
Haluin na ba to? Ano pa nga? Ito ba? So ito pala bagong brand na sinasabi. Stop. Okay. Ha? Na ano?
May booty.
Ayoko pag-usapan yung mga bagay na wala ako.
Wala rin ako. Mike, di ba ganda-ganda ng outfit?
Uy, meron kayo na wala rin.
Zero. It's non-existent.
Babalik yan.
Okay.
Alam mo, hindi ko talaga ma-reconcile yung Bim at nung ano't ngayon. Akalain mo si Bim yung gagawa nito.
Guidance. Kasi when I stay here,
Bawal ka ng diretso. Ay, nakundong ka muna.
yeah, I just have to make sure.
Yes, Kuya. No. Ang galing naman yan, no? Galing-galing, no? Matagal pa. Charot!
You know, everything good takes time.
Okay.
I just have to get through the bottom part. Ooh, yum.
Wow! Galing.
Hot dog first. And then the sausage.
Step back a bit.
I know.
Splatter, splatter.
And give me a hot dog. This is sauce for me.
You put water in.
No, it's enough, but it needs coolness.
No, you put water in. Or you want more, ano? Galvita. That's what we did before. Walnut.
Pero dahil luto ng spaghetti, ano pa maghihintay natin? Palalamigin pa ba? Kainan na! Dadmahin nyo na lang ang laki ng bowl ko. Na-miss eh.
Eat more. Eat.
Kahit kitang-kita naman natin sa video na sobrang talagang pumayat si Chrissy, iba pa rin yung na-feel ko na happiness, na joy, na makasama ulit siya, si Bim, si Josh, dun sa bahay nila sa US. Nakakamiss sila. Pero parang talagang na-miss din kami ni Chrissy kasi aside sa spaghetti, nagluto pa siya ng iba for us. May pa-steak!
Hi.
At habang kumakain si Bim, yung plato ko, ubus na. What's new? The following day, napaka-sweet naman. Kahit medyo hina pa rin, pinagluto niyo pa kami ng nilaga. Lagi nila ako tinatanong, Bim, how's Chrissy? Ano ba ang tamang sagot?
Getting better.
Getting better. She's getting better. And another question nila, bakit daw si Mama hindi lumalabas ng house, nagka-boyfriend? And the rest, naghahanap, hindi magka-boyfriend. Paano daw nagka-boyfriend si Mama?
You know, everything... Kuya, relax. Wait lang, Kuya, come here.
Kuya, come here daw, Kuya.
Kuya,
Come here. Come here.
come here, babies.
Kayo pull him up.
Pull up. Come here.
You say hello.
Say hello to Darla's Vlog.
Hello, Taras Vlog.
Uy, di mo sinagot.
Ano?
How come?
Everything has their time and place. Everything... Naku, hindi ako makaisip.
Kuya, nakukulangan na ng oxygen.
You know, it's fate.
It's there.
Ka na.
Diba, ikaw, Darla, yung love life mo. Oh.
Wala, non-existent.
Oh, diba, that's fate.
Aray?
No. In time, it will happen. That's why it's
Ang
fate.
tagal naman ng in time na yan. Puro na lang in time.
Eh, ikaw pa. Naku, dami kayang lalaki na would want to be with you.
Oh, love mo.
Darla Soler. The epitome of grace. The pinnacle of beauty. Yan, no?
Sumasimakot si Alvin. Hindi siya agree sa description.
Alam niyo po, Darla's trying to set me up with someone eh.
Wow, kasi crush mo yun eh.
Naku,
Crush mo si Bini Mika.
Wow!
May picture kayo?
Ikaw kaya ang nagsabi?
May picture kayo ni Bini Mika?
Hindi. Sa Bini lang.
At the whole group?
Kasi may
Tatari lang.
sila, the pamangkins of, ha?
Tita Tari Lala.
Yeah.
No, Tita Darla lang.
The pamangkins of my Tito Michael. That's their favorite group.
Bini. Yeah. Everyone's favorite ngayon, Bini.
So sabi nila, Kuya Bimbi, you and Bini Mika are bagay. Kaloka. Ha? Of course, she's very beautiful girl.
Yes.
So,
nakikita
tayo
kanila,
kay
Bim.
Tayana Okot 14.
Okay, kuya.
Doon nakikita kanila sa Philippines, nag-guest-guest. Nag-meeting daw sa mga post.
Meeting?
Ewan ko, sabi nila, mag-artista ka na daw.
I don't know.
Okay kay Mama.
I
Ha?
know
Fine si Mama.
for the
What, kuya? Oh, relax lang, kuya. Ano?
Tita Tarla.
Everything has its time and place talaga. Pero if I went into it, Darla, sama ka.
Of course.
Oo. Vlog tayo everyday. Pero ikaw, Darla, how has it been during this time, during everything? Are you in a good place?
Work. Yes, good place naman. Work.
How's your
Ako
heart?
naman, good place ako hanggat okay ang family.
Okay, that's good. But how's your heart
Ate
now?
Amy,
No one's making
ayaw
ligaw?
tumayo.
Wala.
Okay, up ka na, guys.
Pimpi
Up
snore.
na daw.
Ayaw mo?
Snoring.
Stay ka muna with me.
Snore.
Snoring.
Ang ayoko ng snore ang pinag-uusapan.
Kung pimpi.
Nako.
Ako
Alam
winner
niyo po,
dun.
super maingay snore si Darla.
Pang-Olympics gold medal ako
Pimpi
no, sa
pati
snoring.
natalo.
Super maingay pero super cute rin.
Okay, pating na
Cute kaya?
Akala nila mamamatay na ako. eh.
No, cute. Pero, you know, cause you're sleeping beauty. Na-miss mo ko, no? Love you.
Pero anong gusto mong sabihin? Kasi lahat, everywhere ako pumunta, laging, we're house Chris, tell her we're praying for her, lahat, Pinoy all over the world. And what do you want to tell them?
Thank you.
Everyone's praying for Mama.
That's all I can say to them, Darla. Maraming salamat. Kasi,
Ate Amy po laming
it's a big help talaga ang prayer.
Kasi not only artistas ha, even mga non-celebrities, na mga hindi natin kilala, they even email me.
Talaga? And you know,
So you thank na lang them, everyone.
thank you po so much for loving us and praying for and hoping na mom will get better soon po. Thank you po.
Basta again, kamusta si Chris? Ang sagot?
Ha?
Kamusta doon si Chris?
Getting better na.
Getting better.
Getting better.
Na-excite sila, uuwi na? Again? Uuwi na ang sagot again?
Sana. Pero, you know, kasi, I can talk about ASAP, no?
Oo naman.
We went to ASAP.
Nakita nila nasa
Biglaan lang. Kasi sabi ni Mama, the day of ASAP po. The day of ASAP to visit sila Darla and Jasmine. Visit everyone talaga. So nagulat talaga si Darla. Akala niya, ano ginagawa mo dito, BM?
prepared. Busy kami. Hindi namin masikaso ng
Oo. Pero alam niyo po, Darla is one of the most hardworking, beautiful, most loyal people you'll ever meet po. That's why naging family sila. And also Jasmine, of course, who's right there, who's making her who's hugging.
Pero parang nasa Pilipinas lang tayo ha. American version lang kayo dito.
Relax lang.
Yung house nyo dito, very Pinas.
That's good, thank you.
Or you say, see you, na lang, everyone soon. Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed po.
See you soon.
And please support Darla po, ha?
Yeah.
Thank
you for cooking for us.
Of course.
And
Di ba you
si
said,
Mama.
I can have a wife na?
Sabi mo,
Hindi muna.
Sabi mo.
Hindi muna.
No. 17 ka pa lang.
Well, she has to go through Darla muna.
Manligaw ka muna. Busy pa yung career ng Bini.
Wow! Love you, Darla.
Love you, man.
Love you.
Sa buhay talaga or sa work, ang swerte natin pag may mga na-meet tayong tao na nagiging totoong kaibigan natin. Di ba sabi nga nila, friends are the family that we choose. At itong family, itong relationship, itong friendship na nahanap ko with Chrissy and her sons, this is something na I want to keep forever. Kasi iba naman talaga yung nabuo naming bond through the years. And sabi nga pala ni Chrissy, sa lahat po ng nag-approach sa akin at nagsasabi sa akin na pinagdadasal nila si Chris at sa mga nagsasuggest ng iba't ibang paraan for her to get better, maraming salamat daw po sa inyo. Hindi man niya magawang magpasalamat isa-isa sa inyo, pero please know na nakakarating po sa kanya lahat ng gusto niyong sabihin. Ayun. And hopefully, sana totoo na nga na siguro by this September or soon, ay makauwi na ulit sa Philippines si Chrissy at sana makabalik siya sa kung ano man yung gusto talaga niyang ginagawa niya at alam kong na-miss nating lahat. Thank you, guys!